Our next topic will be regarding on a servo motor. We will control an electric motor, which is the servo motor, using potentiometer. So we will control its angular position of the shaft. For example, we will start the simulation for here. With the use of the potentiometer, the position of the shaft rotates in 180 degrees. So, for the code of this one, controlling the servo motor, we will include first the library of the servo motor, the servo.h, and then create a servo object to control. So the servo will be my servo, and then declare the potentiometer, which is connected to the analog pin A0, and then the variable to store the readings from the analog pin will be stored in val. So int val. So we have the connection, the serial that begin 9600, the connection or the baud rate for the Arduino and the servo motor and potentiometer. And then we will attach the servo motor to the pin, digital pin 9. So my servo that attach 9. So attach the servo motor to digital pin. So you can use other PWM pin. So in this case, only the digital PWM pin must be used. So for the sensor value, we will read the value of the potentiometer or the pot pin, the potentiometer pin, and then that reading will be val. So val is equal to analog read pot pin. So that value will be mapped. So val is equal 0 to 1023 because it is connected to 5 volts. So 0 to 5 volt is 0 to 1023, and the degree of the rotation of the servo motor is 0 to 180 degrees. Then my servo that right val. So this will be set the position of the servo motor or the shaft of the servo motor. So as the value increases, the degrees of the position of the shaft is also increases the degrees. So for the 0 degrees, and then for the half, it will be on the 90-degree angle, and then the 180 degree. So that's it for the controlling the servo motor using a potentiometer. And if you have any questions, you can direct message me and comment down below. So the important part here is the my servo that right and the mapping of the value of the potentiometer and the servo motor. So scale the potentiometer value to a servo motor angle of 0 to 180 degrees. So thank you and see you next time.